Booby,
Yes, sir.
what are you doing?
We're getting Ken's motor in the truck. Whew, hold on.
Hey,
I'm gonna pull too hard, I might poop the pants.
oh, that'd become funny.
I didn't know you
I'm so glad I'm recording.
You didn't know I could get up here.
Oh yeah.
This kid rips on me.
Hey, somebody's got to pick on you. Carson doesn't.
He does actually.
Oh, does he? I'm a little bummed that you didn't even come out a little bit more. Cylinder heads.
He's busy getting his ass kicked at football practice every night, so.
You can.
In full pads. In this weather?
Oh God.
Yeah.
I'm dying this fall. I got a sweater on.
Just sitting here.
Well, we got sweaters on.
He's tackling and tight up and stuff.
So Ken, your motor's going to
Go
machine
see
shop.
Which
my slant 6 head sitting over there.
Yeah.
Yay!
I let Brian know that Ken wants to be a little more torquey, and we're gonna go roller cam. So.
Ooh.
Don't know what we're gonna do otherwise. I got to get with Ken about budget, ballpark budget.
Yep. Kind of keep it in that area.
Keep it within the lines a little bit.
Sounds good. Well, let's see if Bobby falls. Hold on.
The truck just went up like 4.
All right, guys. Well, that's that.
It's hot.
Later.